Hi, my name is Cece Hall, and I'm an applications analyst here at LI-COR Biosciences. Today, I will show you how to replace your lamp in your 3100 or 3100C. So the first thing you'll need to do is take the cover off. So there's 4 screws. I already loosened them up a little bit, and these are hex screws. And you can use 5/32 for these. Just take these off. And the cover just comes off like this. Slide it straight up. Once the cover is off, we want to remove this black receptacle right here, and it has 2 screws. There are 2 hex screws, same as the ones you just removed with the cover. So we'll loosen these up. And then this cover comes off. You can take these screws out. Sort of let it hang off here to the side a little bit. And here we see the lamp, which is the one we want to replace. So to remove it, you're going to twist it 45 degrees clockwise. So we'll twist it here, and then we can pull it straight out. Next, we'll take our new lamp, and we'll put it in on that same angle. So it will be 45 degrees turned. And you might have to use your other hand back here to kind of guide it in place a little bit. Nice. Before we put this black receptacle on, you can twist it back, so 45 degrees counterclockwise, and make sure it locks in place. If it locks in place like this, that means you inserted the lamp well back here in the front. But just we need to turn it back here. So once you just check that to make sure it's aligned properly, you can turn it back, so 45 degrees clockwise. And then you'll need to put this black receptacle on 45 degrees counterclockwise, so at this angle. And this part's a little tricky. Now you're going to have to make sure that the black receptacle is flush with this black board right here. And then you might have to move this the lamp a little bit up and down just to make sure it guides in, but and twist that one back. See if I got it. I think I got it right there. So making sure that this one is flush. Then you'll put these screws back, and you can kind of look through here and see where the holes are. Ta-da. And here. There we go. Here and here. And these should be fairly loose. You don't want to over tighten them. So just kind of twist it until you feel some resistance, and you can let that be. Perfect. So after this, the black receptacle is installed and the lamp is installed, it's a good idea to power the instrument up and test the lamp to make sure you installed it correctly. So we'll just power it on here. Click. Okay, lit up. Now if it doesn't light up, I would recommend just taking this one off and then try reattaching it. There's a little bit of finagling going on, but you should eventually be able to attach it, and it should light up. As always, we have more resources on our website. You can always contact LI-COR for support, or you can contact your local distributor.